Hello everyone and welcome to my video. Today I got a package from the mail and so I got trying to work. I got work at the pick up the post office and so this is mystery box, whatever, unboxing. So let's see what's going on. And so yeah, let's open it, bad boy. Because I don't know what it is. Because I haven't no clue what in the box. So yeah. Fortunately, we found out who could from the package. So let's see. Finally, I know what it is, you guys. I know what it is. It is figures. Finally, that's way so long. There it is, guys. Friday the 13th, Part 1, Mrs. Voorhees. You see in the back. It's Friday the 13th. I'm very happy getting this one. This is what I'm looking for that they have. So this is as a biggers. Miss Voorhees finally. I'm really happy because I'm really happy by it. And stuff. So and I'm really glad it came today. And I'm really happy right now because this is why I ordered not too long ago, because this is why I put order stuff, and I love it. It's really cool. I'm really happy. Really happy, and this one I want to look for Mr. Voorhees, and then they have it's really special for Chewy because it's Friday Dirty, Jason Voorhees, and they have Freddy Krueger stuff, lots of figures, and that's awesome. You see it. That's really awesome. So yeah. Excuse me. So yeah, I'm very happy. And Mama will be able to just keep it in the box and hopefully, that's really awesome. So yeah. That's it for the video, you guys, and I really appreciate it. And finally, I can't believe it. I'm so excited. Anyways, thank you for the video. We appreciate it. Please give them comments from when they this video. And don't forget to follow me on social media, Instagram, Twitter, all stuff. And please hit the subscribe button and don't miss the bell. and we appreciate support. You guys are awesome. So yeah, and we're happy. Thank you guys, and take care of yourself.